to be able to do this, we're going to need our power reduction formula, and it looks like this. There is also one for sine squared. So I want to start by deciding what that u value is over in my formula, and the u is just the angle inside of cosine. So when we go through the formula, u is going to be that 3x. So before I integrate, I want to replace cosine squared with our formula. So it's going to be the integral of, I've got a fraction now, 1 plus cosine of twice that angle on the inside. So that's going to be 2 times 3x. You could just write a 6x right there, and I'm going to do that in a second. All divided by 2 with the dx on the outside. I'm going to take that divided by 2. Let's put that out in front as just a 1/2. And then I can integrate the 1 and the cosine separately. So my next step looks like this. I've got 1/2, and then I've got the integral of 1 dx plus the integral of cosine 6x dx. Now I could use a quick u substitution on that cosine. If I did, u would equal 6x, du would equal 6 dx, and then that would give me a 1/6 du is equal to dx. But I can also use a shortcut, which I really want to do instead. And this shortcut just tells me that if I've got a constant multiplier, I've just got that nice x on the inside times 6. I'm going to end up with a 1/6 on the outside. Okay, so using that shortcut, leaving the 1/2 on the outside, the integral of 1 dx is just x. And then I've got my integral of cosine 6x. That's going to be plus 1/6 sine of 6x. And I've got a plus c here because this is indefinite. I've just got one more step, and I'm going to bring that 1/2 through to both of these terms. And we get our final answer of 1/2 x plus 1/12 sine 6x. Plus c. You are doing fantastic. Take a look at my video here on integrating cosine to the 4th.